So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this will be the next example, that is a rotated image of the lead code. Uh, so let's read the question and what would be the approaches to solve this problem. We will be discussing all these approaches in this video. So uh, let's read the question, that is rotated image. It is a medium level question of an array, I think a 2D matrix, that is a 2D array, and uh, you are given an n into n 2D matrix representing an image. Rotate the image by 90-degree clockwise. Okay, we have to rotate the image clockwise, and it is given that there is a 2D matrix in the question, and you have to rotate the image in place, which means you have to modify the input 2D matrix directly. Do not allocate another 2D matrix and do not rotate. Okay. The main thing is we should not do two things here. That is, do not locate another two means हमको 2D matrix the we have to means we do not have to initialize another 2D matrix, and we do not have to use any rotation here by solving this problem. So let's read the inputs 1, 2, 3. Okay, and okay, as given in the question. So let's read. Let's go on the whiteboard and try to solve means try to solve the example. That is, हाँ ये जरा बराबर नहीं है, बट ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. हाँ, as I said कि हमको रोटेट करना है मैट्रिक्स, सो क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में. सो इफ हमने बराबर से if we are noticing properly, then we get to know that the first row is given to the last column. If we are seeing seeing properly, then we will get to know that the first row is in the last column. So if first and the second row is in the second last column. So this the first second row, second last column. So when we are trying for the brute force approach, what would be the brute force approach for solving this problem? So the brute force approach is कि हम हर एक एलिमेंट को पिक आउट करेंगे, एंड हम हर एक एलिमेंट को पिक आउट करेंगे एंड जस्ट पुट इट दैट एलिमेंट इन दैट राइट प्लेस. जैसे if we are picking one, then we will just pick up this element and put it to his right position, that is the last column. And how will we get this कि हम कैसे means हम कैसे पता चलेगा? That is, we will just index हम पहले इंडेक्सिंग करेंगे, that is 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3. अभी भी सेम 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3. Okay. So as we know, means हम पता करेंगे कि first element, if we are picking up the first element, and where we have to put that element. So for as we indexed, means हमने यहाँ पे index भी किया है, indexing भी किया है. So from indexing we get to know that is 0 0, that is the first element, is equals to 0 3. Second element, that is the second element of the second row, means of the first row, that is 0th, means it is placed, that is a 2. That this is a 2. A 2 कहाँ पे place है? That is a 0, means the index of that element is 0 1, and हमको कहाँ put करना होगा वो? At the 1 3. एज यूजुअल हमको सेम ही फॉलो करना होगा सबके लिए. So if we are trying out this approach कि first element pick out करेंगे and then we will put it to its right position, then it will take the top time complexity of big O of n square, because हम यहाँ पे टू for loop यूज करेंगे, because for loop use करेंगे, that is कि first will be the for loop from uh, 0th position to the n minus 1 position, and same for second, that is this will be for the row and this will be for j equals to n minus 1, that will be for the column. So it is not the efficient solution, and it will take much more time to solve the question. So we will just go through the efficient solution. What would be our efficient solution for this problem? So let's write the matrix, that is 1 5 9 13 2 6 10 14 15 11 7 3 4 8 12 16, एंड हमको फाइंड आउट कौन सा ये करना है, 19 14 15 16 10 and 9 5 6 7 8 4 3 2 1. हाँ, हमको ये क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में फाइंड आउट करना है, हमको ये फाइंड आउट करना है. सो फ्रॉम दिस क्वेश्चन what would be the efficient solution, that means first if we are taking the first row, then we will just if we are noticing it properly, then if we are taking the transpose, that is the row and column transformation, then it will be like is 1 2 3 0, means if we are taking the transpose, then it means we are interchanging the row into the column and column into the row. So 5 6 7 8, this is the second row to the second column, and 9 10 11 12 13 14 sorry 16, and if we are reversing this, then we are getting the solution, that is हमको जो हमको क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में घुमाना था, दैट इज द रोटेट, इफ मींस इन द क्वेश्चन हमको दिया था कि वी हैव टू रोटेट द इमेज, हमको वही यहाँ पे करना है, दैट इज फर्स्ट वी विल ट्रांसपोज द एलिमेंट, that is we will do here swapping, we will just swap, that is that if we are giving that I equals to row and j equals to column, then we will just swap, that is how we will swap the element, that is I j equals to, that is j and I, we will just swap the elements, transport the element by doing swapping, and after that we will just reverse the element, reverse the row and column, reverse the rows, so we will get whatever we want. So here is our solution. and it's the best solution, I think, and it's the efficient solution to solve this problem. So let's go on the let's go to dry run the code. And here the first thing is we are taking the transpose of the rows and column. It means हम रोज को कॉलम में कन्वर्ट करेंगे एंड कॉलम को रोज में, एंड उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, उसके बाद हम रिवर्स करेंगे, एंड दैट विल रियली हेल्प to means this really help to find out our solution. That is, we have to just find out the clockwise in the clockwise direction. So let's come on to dry run the code. Okay, so as I said, we will be using here the two for loop that are this uh, to transpose the matrix, and we are doing the transpose by doing the swapping here, and we are just swapping, that is I j and ji, and just after that we will just reverse each element, that is each row. We will just reverse each row, and as we know that we are reversing each row, then we are indexing it by I, that is a matrix I, the beginning and the end. So also we are here we are not returning any element, not zero, not matrix, because the question the function is used here, that is a void, and void does not return any element. So here is the solution of this problem. So thank you guys for supporting me, and be connected.